Hello, students. I'm Dr. Sheetal Khare, and today's topic of our lecture is Aristotle. I know you all know Aristotle. He is a great Greek philosopher and thinker who born in 384 BC in Stagirria in Macedonia and died around 322 BC in Seleucia. And why he is famous? He is famous for his great work, Poetics, which was written around or in between 335 BC to 323 BC before his death. Aristotle is also known for his mentor also, and Aristotle's mentor was Plato, the great Plato, who was born in 428 BC to and died in 347 BC. And Plato was famous for his great work, The Republic, which was written around 380 BC. If we will talk about Aristotle's personal life, Aristotle's wife name was Pythias, and he was having a son named Nicomachus. And Aristotle living in Athens because he was a disciple of Plato. Plato is having a school named Academy, and he was a student and studying there. But after the death of Plato, he has left Athens and he was invited by King Philip II of Macedonia to give tuition to the great Alexander. Okay, so remember, Aristotle is a disciple of Plato, and Plato's disciple is Alexander the Great, right? Actually, Aristotle was a polymath. He was expert in so many different subjects, and his approach was scientific and very practical. Okay, so he has written so many works, like he has written 158 constitutions, including the Constitution of Athens. He has written a book on monarchy, then Dialogues, a famous work, The Custom of Barbarian, Organ and the Organ or Instrument is the next work he has written and famous, and he was very much interested in rhetorics. He was expert of rhetorics, that educational ethics, because he was a teacher or he was a mentor, so he know very well the educational ethics also, right? So, and he was very much interested in physics and politics, natural history, on the soul, because he was also believing on the spiritual part also, and he has written logics, that Nicomachean ethics also he has written, because I previously told that his son's name was Nicomachus, and he has written metaphysics, book on metaphysics. Have you heard this word metaphysics? Because metaphysics concept is very much famous due to John Donne, if you know very well. Okay, and then because we know the great work Poetics, and because he was a tutor of Alexander, so he has written a book on Alexander also. Okay, so and actually he has given so many concept, or he has given a perfect definition which Plato has given. The keywords he has given, like imitation, catharsis, hamartia, tragic flaw in the hero, epic poetry, and tragedy. So many times in NET examination, questions are being asked regarding poetics, regarding Aristotle and Plato's comparison with Aristotle. So you must prepare all these things if you are preparing for NET examination. Thank you.